The EMIE 2.0 is an R-shining tool built for curating and visualizing meta-analytic findings of bivariate relationships. The R-shining consists of 3 parts: instructions, knowledge graph input, and knowledge graph output. On the instruction page, you will find the details of what the project is about and how to use it. You can also find tutorial videos and PDF instructions by clicking the link. On the input page, the button will show you the original data table, and on the knowledge graph output, if you don't choose any predictors or outcomes on the input page, it will display the whole network graph in a circle. You can also drag the circle to interact with it. And you can see in the graph, predictors are in light blue, wherever outcomes by different stakeholder categories are in red, dark blue, yellow, green, and purple. Let's go back to the input page. In the selection box, you can select predictors and outcomes. Now, the output page will only show you the subgraph with only your selected predictors and outcomes as well as their link. You can see the color of the line means whether the correlation is positive or negative. So the red color means there is a negative relationship between those two variables, and the gray color means it's positive. Also, the width of the line means what the importance is between them. If you want to show the information of a specific node, you should first click that particular node and then click the tag on the upper right to go to the right sidebar. There you can find the statistic information and also correlations of all links between this particular node and other variables. If you want to curate and visualize your own knowledge graph data, you can do that by uploading your own CSV file from the input page. Now let me show you how to do that. You should first click the Upload Your Data and browse your files from your local computer. The uploaded data format should contain these variables in these orders: ID, outcome, correlation, significance, numbers of samples, relative weight, and rescale weight. Then you can start to interact with it. Everything else follows our instructions earlier. Thanks.